A course like the AI Foundry and the value that it gives participants is not just the opportunity to network with other like-minded people, but it's also the ability to develop new products and explore the opportunities that are presented by a new technology area such as AI. And some of those opportunities we've seen today through the application of AI, not just in new products, but also in the exploitation of new markets.
I think it's been fantastic. I mean, we joined the course because we weren't sure about AI, and we are a solutions provider. Really, that's how we've built our business, and the fear is being left behind. And what this has done is open my eyes, particularly to the potential, I mean, the endless possibilities of AI, but also how we access it, how we learn. We wouldn't have had a clue where to start, and this course has really given us some good channels to start working on it. Yeah.
Just really got us, a new level of thinking where we thought we may have been reasonably advanced in our sector. It's kind of opened up and delimited the possibilities and provided not just an open landscape, it's also provided the support network and the infrastructure here at Host to be able to move and actually implement and act on that.
100% I'd recommend it. It's been fantastic, it's been inspirational, the contacts I've made have been fantastic. There's still an offer, even though the course is finished, the offer of helping me go forward with my business has been fantastic, and I'm going to continue to keep in touch, and I'm going to take everybody's offer and carry on moving forward with Buggy Tunes.